Imagine you're a young girl who wants to be a doctor, and whenever you're in class and the teacher is teaching, your interest is piqued. You listen attentively and you're like, I want to know more about this. You rush down to the place you know you can learn more. But as you get there, you find out that it's the same old story. There are a few good desks, very few books, and you're left disappointed. Now, this might seem like an imagined story or imagined scenario, but the truth is, this is the reality of a girl like Aminat, the head girl at St. Francis Junior Grammar School, Iwaya. This is her reality every day. She comes to a library that is underutilized, a library without books, a library without enough desks, and she has to make do with what she has.
Wherever I want to read at home, my mom, my sister, they usually distract me. So wherever I come to the school to read in the class is too noisy. So the best place for me to read is the library.
I believe that a library is a conducive place for reading, learning, and studying. But the school library has not been a good one. It's not conducive for me to read and understand. The shelves are not good enough to protect the books in the library.
And it is hard for me to look for the books because the books are not available. I wish I had access to a conducive library where I can read, learn, and grow.
Today, we're at St. Francis Grammar School to document our latest project, a library renovation project made possible through our continued partnership with GardaWorld Security. In 2024, when we first came here to St. Francis Grammar School for our mentorship program, we did a school tour, and then we had taken notes of the state of the library. We had seen that it's not conducive enough. There were no fans. There was nothing in the library, and the students weren't able to use it properly. And at the Special Foundation, we do not just come and go. We take notes, we listen, and then take action where it is needed. And so we have promised that we'll take this into consideration and come back to renovate this space.
My name is Mr. Fakan Babalola Samuel, the principal of St. Francis Junior Grammar School, Iwaya. I've been in partnership with the Special Youth Foundation since 2019. And when I got here, I thought that we could do more for the students. So I now called Special Youth Foundation to come in. Then the Special Youth Foundation now said they wanted to bequeath something to the school. They now took up the rehabilitation of the school library.
This is Michael from Templegate Consultant. We were supposed to create the space for 72 students. So we have library tables, teachers' tables and chairs, and also the bookshelves. So the idea behind this is visual cohesion for kids. Colors appeal to them, what they see appeal to them. So the reason behind this was create as much as color visuals for them and give them words that they can see every day and chant, and it becomes a reminder of who they are and what they want to do.
My name is Victor Obidi. I'm actually the CSR coordinator for GardaWorld, and I'm here because we partnered with the Special Foundation. I can actually attest that our partnership and involvement with you is a story to tell. I've been here to see the library and the environment very conducive with a good atmospheric condition for the children to learn, and I must give it to the Special Foundation a thumbs up to you. One thing that is a detail from us in GardaWorld is that we are committed to always ensuring that we give back to the society. And so the best way we can is to partner with the Special Foundation to ensure that this dream becomes a reality.
On behalf of the Special Foundation, having people like GardaWorld partner with us is why we can bring the effect that we desire, which is to give every child the opportunity to good quality education. We've done this so that you can come here and you can read and educate yourself, and someday, 20 years or 30 years from now, you can also go back to different schools to give back. Education is the easiest way to achieve success. So once again, thank you everyone, and please enjoy the use of this library. Thank you.